وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to our new shot or short tutorial video. You're watching the video of Book 1, Lesson 3 in Part 7. Last time we learned about the sun and moon letters, which are called Shamsiyyah and Qamariyya letters in Arabic. Let's now practice this new rule by going through the example problems starting from the bottom of page 16. Here we have a few words starting with Shamsiyyah letters. The first one is Najmun. This is ism and it is nakirah. How do we read the ma'rifah form of this ism? An-najmu, right? Not al-najmu, but an-najmu. That is why we have a shadda on top of the letter noon. The next word, rajulun, which means a man. It is a nakirah. How do we read the ma'rifah form? Ar-rajulu, right? Ar-rajulu. Next, dikun, which means a rooster. It is nakirah. What would be the ma'rifah form? Ad-diku, right? Ad-diku. We know that talibun is a student. How do we say the student? At-talibu. Correct. At-talibu. Let's move on to page 18. We have a few sentences given at the top of the page. They are all of Jumlah Ismiyyah type. So try to identify the mubtada and khabar of the sentences as we go. Let's start from the first sentence. An-najmu ba'idun. The star is far. The mubtada is an-najmu because it is starting the sentence and it is what we are really talking about. Ba'idun is khabar because it is giving news or information about an-najm, that it is far. An-najmu ba'idun. The second sentence. Ar-rajulu waqifun. The man is standing. The mubtada is ar-rajulu and waqifun is khabar. Ar-rajulu waqifun. The third sentence. As-sukkaru hulwun. The sugar is sweet. Which word is mubtada here? As-sukkaru is the mubtada, right? And the khabar is hulwun. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. Which one is the khabar? Maridun, right? Because it is giving information about the student. At-talibu is the mubtada. So, at-talibu maridun. Try to read the next sentence yourself. Ad-diku jamilun, right? It means the rooster is beautiful. Ad-diku jamilun. The next one. Ad-daftaru jadidun, which means the notebook is new. So, ad-daftaru means a notebook. Jadidun is coming as khabar and ad-daftaru as mubtada of the sentence. Can you try to read the next sentence yourself first? At-tajiru ghaniyun, right? It means the merchant is rich. At-tajiru ghaniyun. So the letter ta is one of the Shamsiyyah letters. That is why we are seeing a shadda on top of the letter ta here. Try to read the next sentence. Ad-dukkanu maftuhun. Ad-dukkanu is the store and maftuhun is open. So we are saying the store is open. Sentence number 9. Let's see if you can read it yourself. Al-waladu faqirun. Notice the word waladun starts with qamariyya letter. So we need to pronounce the letter lam of al. Al-waladu faqirun. Faqirun means poor, so the sentence is saying the boy is poor. The number 10. At-tufahu ladhidun. At-tufahu is the apple. Ladhidun is delicious. So the apple is delicious. Can you identify the khabar here? Ladhidun, right? And is it nakira or ma'rifah? nakira, indefinite. And at-tufahu is mubtada and it is coming as ma'rifah. Final sentence. At-tabibu tawilun wal-maridu qasirun. Here, tawilun means tall. Al-maridu is the patient and qasirun means short. So the sentence can be translated as the doctor is tall and the patient is short. The letter ta is the Shamsiyya letter, so we are reading it as at-tabibu, and the letter mim is the Qamariyya letter, so we are reading it as al-maridu. We finished all 11 example sentences given in the top half of the page. Let's move on to exercise number 1. Here we will practice reading the words with proper vowel signs. As usual, I will give you a few seconds to try yourself first, then I will read it for you. The first one. Al-babu, the door. This word is starting with the Qamariyya letter, ba. Next one. At-tajiru, the merchant or the trader. Ta is the Shamsiyya letter. An-najmu, the star. Noon is the Shamsiyya letter. Al-qamaru, the moon. Ad-diku, the rooster. So the dal is the Shamsiyya letter, so we are adding shadda above it. Al-ma'u, the water. Remember the mim is the Qamariyya letter. As-sariru, the bed, adding shadda on top of the Shamsiyya letter sin. Al-baytu, the house. Al-masjidu, the masjid. Al-rajulu, the man. Ra is the Shamsiyya letter here. As-sukkaru, the sugar. Al-waraqu, the paper. So the letter wa is the Qamariyya type. So no shadda used, but we put sukun on lam of al. We're done with this exercise. You might have noticed that every word in this list was ism. So if they were ism, are they ma'rifah or nakira? All of them are ma'rifah, right? They are definite ism because they are coming with the prefix al, plus they are not ending with tanween. Very good. I think we can go ahead and finish up the next exercise today. Let's jump in. In exercise 2, we have khabar of Jumlah Ismiyyah given, and we need to figure out the proper mubtada for each jumlah. The first sentence, the khabar is ghaniyun, which means rich. What would be the right mubtada here? We can put at-tabibu, the doctor, or at-tajiru, the merchant, right? Let's put at-tabibu. At-tabibu ghaniyun, the doctor is rich. The second sentence, we are given hulwun as khabar, which means sweet. What can be sweet? As-sukkaru, right? Let's put as-sukkaru for the mubtada of this jumlah. As-sukkaru hulwun, the sugar is sweet. The third sentence, we are given maridun, which means sick. Who can be sick? At-talibu or al-mudarrisu and many more, right? Let's put at-talibu here with shadda on top of ta because it is the Shamsiyya letter. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. Number 4. Ladhidun. Delicious. What can be delicious? At-tufahu, right? Let's write at-tufahu here. So our sentence will be at-tufahu ladhidun. The apple is delicious. Number 5. The khabar is tawilun, tall. Who can be tall? Some of the words we can use are al-imamu or al-waladu. Let's put al-waladu here. The boy is tall. Number 6, the final sentence. Our khabar is qasirun, which is the opposite of tawilun. Qasirun means short. Who can be short? Let's put ar-rajulu here. So the sentence would be, the man is short. Ar-rajulu tawilun. We are all set with this page 17. In the next video, we will try to finish up the entire lesson, okay? Until then, may peace be with you all. Assalamu alaikum.